In order to detect whether the rider has worn the helmet or not, we are using a ultrasonic sensor which measures the distance between the helmet walls and the rider's face. If the rider has worn the helmet, then the distance measured by the ultrasonic sensor will be 5 to 6 centimeters. And if the helmet is not worn, then the helmet wall distance will be measured at approximately 30 to 25 centimeters. So we have set the distance threshold value to around 10 to 12 centimeters, such that if the distance measured is greater than 10 to 12, then the buzzer gets actuated. So in this way we can ensure that the helmet is worn by the rider always.
Since the rider has not worn the helmet, the buzzer is buzzing. Now, as the rider has worn the helmet, the buzzer stopped buzzing.
So here we are using a MQ3 gas sensor in order to analyze the breath of the rider. So it detects a range of volatile organic compounds which are present in the air. These are the analog values of the various components which it can read. This is the values in fresh air. Now we are exposing acetone vapors to the sensor. And here, as you can see, the values are increasing. And we have set the threshold as 300. And as the value go up, the buzzer gets actuated.
In order to detect whether the rider is overspeeding or not, we have used a Hall effect sensor and a pair of microcontrollers. The Hall effect sensor detects the number of revolutions of the wheel in a given time interval and sends it to the ESP32 microcontroller, which is placed near the wheel of the rider. The ESP32 microcontroller takes the readings from the Hall effect sensor and calculates the RPM value of the wheel. The RPM value is transmitted to the ESP8266 microcontroller, which is placed near the helmet of the rider. The ESP8266 microcontroller takes the red RPM values and compares it with the preset threshold RPM values which are set during the programming. If the red RPM values are higher than the threshold RPM values, the buzzer starts buzzing, and when the next red RPM value is lesser than the threshold RPM value, the buzzer stops buzzing.